Today, we're diving into the AI superpowers now built right into Microsoft Excel.
Yeah, we've all been there, right? Staring at formulas that look like ancient hieroglyphics.
Well, those days are pretty much over. AI is now baked right into the core of Excel. But it's not just one magic button, it's a whole ecosystem. Let's break down what you can use today. First up is Copilot. This is the one that lets you literally talk to your data in plain English. Then you've got Analyze Data. It automatically scans for patterns and insights, no prompting needed. And for all you power users out there, Python is now in Excel. We're talking serious data science.
Okay, so the trick is knowing which tool to use and when. Here's a quick cheat sheet.
Theory is great, but let's actually see it work. Let's do a quick analysis right now.
Just follow these 4 steps. You can go from raw data to real insights in just minutes.
Here's how to think about it. The AI gets you 80% of the way there, instantly. You add the last 20%.
Now, if you have Copilot, things get even more interesting. Your abilities just explode. Let's see. And this says it all, doesn't it? A 12-minute task with bugs is now done in 8 seconds. Perfectly. And it's not just for formulas. Copilot helps clean data and even builds pivot tables for you.
Okay, so how do you actually work smarter with all this? There are a few key rules to follow.
Be specific and always check the AI's work. And hey, don't use it for simple stuff you can do faster.
And this is why it all matters. Deep data analysis isn't just for the pros anymore. It's for everyone.
The gap between companies is widening fast. The real advantage goes to those who adopt these tools first.
So the future of spreadsheets is already here. The only question is, what are you going to build with it?